Okay.
Hi everyone, karibuni tena to another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness here at Lolwe TV with our team here, me, Naito Tieno, Coach Benja, DJ Roy from Elixir Wellness, karibuni tena, and don't forget you can catch us here on Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays at 5:30 in the morning and catch all the reruns on Lolwe TV Kenya on YouTube. And interact with us on the socials, Lolwe TV Fitness and Elixir Wellness Kenya, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you very much. Na karibuni sana. Let's start moving. Make sure you get your water. Leo ni high intensity, sindio? Let's just start moving those bodies, yeah? Tutembe. Hapo. How are we doing? Nitisikia watu wakicomplain. Leo kuna push-ups. Only one set. Only one. Aya, step. Remember guys, it's not a long workout, it's intense, but it's over as soon as it starts, so just keep with it. Ukisikia umeanza kuchoka, tema. Jaribu tu. Kasiria kasa. Aya. Let's go. And let's swing those arms. Tuende na mziki. Coach Benja, ushatoka. And up. Right, just 10 more seconds of this and walk it out. Remember, you can have your water at any point. It's active rest. There's no full stops hapa katikati, tutakuwa tunasimama, tunatembea, si ndio? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, let's go. We're starting here today with jumping jerks, yes? Let's go. Times 10, and then we go down to crunches. You can either do my version or Coach Benja's version here. Aya, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and walk. Walk it out. Aya, 20 tena, let's go, 15. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and walk it out. Let's go. 20. Yeah? Wapi? Yani tutembea tu on the spot. Tujifanya tunaenda. Right. We're going now. One more time, yes, for 20. Let's go. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And on the mat, let's go. We're doing crunches, which is here, crunch. And for those who want to make it harder, do a full push-up, sit-up, sorry. Yeah? Okay, let's go. 20. Nine, 10. Seven, 8, 9, 20. Up we get. Let's go. And walk it out. We're resting here for 15 seconds. We're doing 20 jumping jacks and then 20 crunches again, yes? Wekelea maringo kidogo kwa hiyo walk. Haya, twende. 20. 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, stay light on your feet. Haya, twende. Crunches for 20. Hey! Remember to not tuck your chin in. We're going, imagine you have a tennis ball between your chin and your chest. Keeping your head up. And let's go, up. Walk it out. Remember guys, this is our rest. We always do active rest here. Okay, we're going to do 20 more jumping jacks, 20 more crunches, then we're done with that job, yes? Let's go. Eight, 9, 10. Well done, let's get back down. 20 crunches, let's go. Ten. Remember, your chin is not on your chest. 8, 9, slow and deliberate. Going back down slowly. Let's go. Walk it out. Hiya. Let's rest here. We're doing squats next. We're doing 10 squats, 10 leg raises, yes? For those who haven't joined us before, when we do the leg raises, make sure that you either support your back or you have a small towel in the small of your back if you've got lower back issues, yeah? So as not to aggravate it, yes? Not to make it worse. And walk it out. Okay, let's go for those squats, yes? We squat low, come all the way back up. For 10, let's go. 2. Hold on, let's go down for leg raises for 10, yes? Bringing those legs up. And we're just going up and not that way, yes? We're going up and not towards your head, but up towards the sky. Let's go for 10. 7, 8, 9. If you want to make it harder, go all the way down, come back and push up. All the way down, come back, push up. If you want to make it harder, yes? Let's walk it out here. Mayo. Okay. That's it. This is our rest, guys. Keep moving the whole time. It's not a long workout, but we keep moving the whole time. I know that you feel really tired sometimes, lakini hapo sasa umechoka, unajua tuko karibu na mwisho. So just stick with it. Yes? Let's go. 5 seconds, then we go back to squats, yes? Let's go. Twende. Slowly down. Squat low. Squat low. That's it. Eight. When you come up, squeeze that bottom. Squeeze. Squat low. Squeeze. Back onto the leg raises, please. 15 this time. Remember, it's up here and not out here. And if you want to make it harder, bring your feet all the way down here and up. Yes? Let's go for 15. 6. I think I've got to 8 actually. And up we get. Let's walk it out. Walk it out. This time we're going for a squat jump. Yes? Okay, so remember, even ground. We're going down, land on the balls of your feet and not on your heel, yes? Let's go, guys, for 10. Eight, 9, 10. Let's go, final bit of leg raises here. Coach Benja, do not despair. Kumitana. Right, guys, remember, we're going up and not up there, yes? Let's go. We're going for 15, yes? One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Up we get. Let's go. Step it out. This is our rest, guys. Remember, we keep moving through the whole workout, yes? Yeah, walk it out. We're going to go back into those squat jumps. Remember, guys, when we do the squat jumps, we're landing back on the balls of our feet, not on the heel. We're not landing down like that, we're landing down like that, yes? Let's go. Come on, guys. Just for 10. That's it. And back to the leg raises. Let's go. Remember, if you want to make it harder, drop down to the ground and up. Down and back up. Just for 10, guys, just for 10. I know it's starting to hurt now, but you've got this. Let's go. Remember, guys at home, if you're joining us for the first time, take it at your own pace. If you're not there yet, don't try and, if you can't keep up, don't feel like you're not doing well. Go back and catch up on the previous episodes. Lolwe TV, Kenya. on YouTube. Just search Lolwe TV Fitness and you'll find all the previous episodes. Start from there and build your endurance up. We've had almost 20 so far, so go back, catch up on those. Yes, guys, we're going to go 20 jumping jacks, 20 sit-ups, and then it's a stretch. Yes, are we together? Twende. 9, 10. Keep going. 7, 8, 9, 20. Let's go for those either crunches or sit-ups, whatever takes your fancy. Yeah, let's go. And remember, don't tuck your chin in. We're keeping the head up there. Just get your shoulders off the ground. That's all you got to do for the crunches. You can come slightly higher, but slowly back down. Well done, guys. Up we get. Slowly, just walk it out. Well done, everyone at home, for sticking with it. I know it was a bit difficult, but we've done it. Let's have a bit of a stretch and have a good day. And then tuonane tena another day. Don't forget, we're here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Yes? Let's start it here. Hands between your shoulder blades. That's it. And the other side. Knees slightly bent, abs in and push out. And push it out here. Hands small of your back and push out and feel that stretch along there. And down low. Yes, straight leg, feet hip width apart, and just reach to the ground if you can. And bring it in here. Remember, knees together and pull that leg back, pulling your upper body up so we're not leaning here. We're standing straight and we're pulling back. Standing straight, pulling back. Feel that stretch along the front of your thigh. Let's go, other side. Pull back, abs in, body up, straight, head out, chin parallel to the ground. Good stuff. Bring this one in. This one is for balance as well. You can test your balance by dancing a bit. Other side. Let's go. Ayo. Good stuff. And let's go wide here and go down. Heels on the ground. And come back up. And push up, breathing in nice and deep, and out. Namaste. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us again on another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness. We hope to see you again another day and have a really lovely day. Don't forget, you can catch all the previous episodes. Lolwe TV Kenya. Interact with us, Lolwe TV Fitness on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and Elixir Wellness Kenya, www.elixirwellnesskenya.com. Asanteni sana, have a lovely day. Namaste.
Okay.